Come test drive the 2015 Genesis. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, first aid kit, panic alarm. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.